Okay, let us discuss now our next topic, which is the MPLS header. Let's see quickly what is there in this MPLS header. Let me grab my pen quickly. Okay, so this is the MPLS header, and the size of the MPLS header is 32 bits, or you can say it is of 4 bytes. So the first 20 bit in that 32-bit header is it is the first 20 bit is reserved for the label value, right? So we had 20 bits. That is why you can see the range of label is from 0 to 1048575. So in that particular range, label from 0 to 15, they are reserved labels. Okay, so the assignment of labels will be start from normally it will start from 16, you can say. So from 0 to 15 the labels are reserved. For example, if I give you a quick example, let's say label number 0, which is called the explicit null, which is used for type of service, or you can say the quality of service. Label number 3, which is called implicit null. We will see in our next lesson what exactly is this implicit null label is. So first 20 bits that are used for the label values. The next 3 bit, earlier they were known as the experimental bits, but now these are called the type of service bits, or we can say these are used if we are also using the quality of service, right, into the MPLS. The next bit is the S bit, which is called the bottom of stack bit. What does it mean is that in MPLS we can have more than one labels. Okay, so if the value of this bit is 1, it means we are having more than one label. Okay, in the pipeline. But if we are using or if there is 0 in this bit, S bit, it means we are having only one label in the pipeline. So we have 20 bit here, 3 bit here, 1 bit here. Now or we are left with 8 bits. So 8 bits in MPLS, these are used for the TTL. So the use of TTL here in MPLS is also same. That is, it's like the IP packet. Like in IP packet, the use of TTL is to avoid any loop in our IP network, right? So here in MPLS also the use of TTL is same, but we will do a separate lesson on that, how exactly this TTL propagate into the MPLS network. So this was all about the MPLS header. It was of it's of 32 bits, and the placement of MPLS header is just between the layer 2 header and layer 3 header. So that is why sometime it is also referred as 2.5, just because of its placement. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about the basic flow of the labels, how the labels are generated, and how the traffic is switched using those labels in the MPLS network.